How you doing? My name is Michael Lee. This is my personal video. Just want to give you a little bit about myself. Born and raised here in the city of Chicago. Love it. Recent graduate of Kentucky State University, where I majored in mathematics and computer science. Hopefully those two backgrounds take me a little bit further in life. Also recently married my college sweetheart. Proud to say that. She pushes me a lot. One of the drivers' reasons why I'm applying for this program. I'm a fun type person. I like to play around, like to joke. You know, sometimes you can't take life all the way serious. Sometimes you need a little bit of laughter here and there. But I do like hard work. I like getting things done when it's time be. Today in my video, I'm going to show how to do auto operations. It's something that I'm very familiar with. A lot of people are scared of when it comes to math and things like that. So just want to give a brief explanation of it. So we have the order of operations by Michael Lee Jr. Grand Theft Auto 5 in the background. Oh yeah. Now with the order of operations, very simple acronym that we use to keep track of how you do the problems. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally was how I learned it. But each of those words actually stand for a different part of the order of operations. The P is for parentheses, which is the first thing that you want to look for in a problem. The E is for exponents. My is for multiplication. Dear is for division. A is for addition, and Sally is for subtraction. One thing to do keep in mind though here is the multiplication to division can be done in either order as long as you do it from left to right. You do those first, and then the same thing with the addition and subtraction from left to right, whichever one that you see first. So we're going to do a couple of examples of these problems. First one we have 10 minus 5 times x. Very simple problem, but we do have to follow order operations here. The very first thing I want to look for is the parentheses. I do have one set of parentheses here. 10 minus 5. So that's the operation I want to complete first. You bring down everything else that you're doing. Now, I just do whatever operations are left from left to right. We only have one here, so 5 times 1 is 5. As you can see here, I did it step by step so you see what each line is supposed to be after you finish. Now we got a little bit more complicated problem. Try to add a little bit of everything on this one, but the same rules apply. First thing you want to look for is the parentheses. We actually have 2 sets of parentheses, so you look inside of one, order operations still follow, and you look for the second one. So the first one is 10 minus 5. So we want to bring down everything that we have and continue following the order operations. We're still looking for parentheses. I'm inside the first set, and inside the second one is not an actual operation, but the very next thing in the order operations is exponents. So that's what I have. 5 times 5. All right, now continue following it. It doesn't change at all. We're still looking at the parentheses. So the order operations suggest that I do the 10 plus 25. Now we're down to one simple problem at the end. This here, we do from left to right in no particular order. 45 plus 6, which lends us with 51. The only thing about the order of operations is that you follow the acronym from to the T, and it won't steer you wrong. I'd like to thank you for this time, and this is my video completed by Michael Lee Jr. Thank you.